Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make good collard greens. Start by washing leaves thoroughly, removing tough stems, and chopping into bite-sized strips for even cooking. Sauté aromatics in oil or bacon fat, then add greens, a splash of vinegar, and low-sodium stock. Simmer gently until tender, tasting for seasoning and adjusting salt, pepper, or heat. Finish with a squeeze of citrus or a dash of hot sauce for bright balance. Rinse and salt the greens early to reduce bitterness and keep texture. Massage leaves with a pinch of salt if desired, then soak briefly. Use smoked meat, bacon, or vegetable stock to add depth, and balance with 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar or hot sauce near the end. Taste frequently and cook until leaves are tender but not mushy, preserving color and structure for serving. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of crushed red pepper to lift flavors. Choose simmering, pressure cooking, or braising based on time and texture preferences. For slow braising, cook 45 to 60 minutes with stock and aromatics until silky. For pressure cooking, reduce time to 10 to 15 minutes for tender results. Adjust salt after cooking since reductions concentrate seasoning. Serve collards with cornbread, rice, or alongside protein, and garnish with citrus zest or hot sauce to brighten each serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.